Hey guys, how to download Fortnite on laptop or PC? Want to download Fortnite on your PC but not sure where to start? Most people get confused with the launchers and end up on the wrong website. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to download and install Fortnite safely and correctly on your PC. Stay with me, you'll be playing in minutes. Now first of all, open your any internet browser. In search Epic Game, link in description. This is most important to download Epic Games. And click the first website. And click the top right download. Your downloading was started, keep wait. After that downloading was completed, to click the show folder. And this is Epic Games setup. Double click and installed Epic Games. My laptop is already installed. After installation, open the Epic Games. After that, click the search bar and search Fortnite, press enter. And click the Fortnite. After that, click the down right side get. And click the place order. After that, click the view in library. And then click the Fortnite. And select your PC browser and down click the install. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to download and install Fortnite on your PC without any trouble. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more gaming guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.